This is MikeBot. Today I'm going to be introducing the new and improved Crealitycloud. I'm really excited to showcase this because they've made it look incredible and it's a significant leap and improvement compared to what Crealitycloud used to be. It was still functional and great the way it was before, but now they've made the cloud web much more intuitive, much more friendly, the ability to slice and download files, and it's more usable on a computer now, while before a mobile device was the best way to approach it. So right here I just clicked on one of their I guess you can say news releases, which tells you about the major updates. So now they've unified their brand colors and features and they've improved the experience, and let me tell you, they sure have. Now I currently run 9 Bamboo printers and Anycubic resin printers, but I do have a Creality K1 Max coming in the mail. Should be here in the next 2 weeks. We're July 27th today, so I expect by mid-August 2024 I'll have it, and I'll be doing an unboxing and I'll be linking everything and doing some test prints. So for today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to compare this to MakerWorld. So let me go to Crealitycloud's main site. Let me go to MakerWorld main site. And we'll just start with the page. So they're both super fast, speedy sites. They load almost instantly. I'm logged into both of them. You got your 3D models in MakerWorld up here. And by the way, MakerWorld is still in beta. So 3D models, contest forms, all that stuff up here. Creality, same idea, but the menus are more expanded and you have more options, including firmware, open source plugins. Keep in mind, Creality is still semi-open source. They use Marlin for their older printers. I think their new ones use Clipper, while Bamboo is a closed garden. So basically, they're the Apple of the 3D printing world. So with Creality, if you like to tinker, they're more of the Android of the world, where you can kind of tinker, modify firmwares, and do all that fun stuff. So let me start with going to the model section of both. So starting with Creality, you got your stuff here like discounts, exclusive, coupons, multicolor. They've really done a really good job making the menu on the left hand side look great. With MakerWorld, similar idea. You can choose your printer, accessories, you can choose models, all that stuff. So in that sense, they tie. Now with Crealitycloud, they do have this Kuva coin system, which I've been using since the beginning of time, and I'll show you what that is. So basically with Kuva coins, it allows you to get free stuff. So let me go to the member center. So they also have a version where you can get premium, which you get discounts on models and various other things. Here's the comparison, because people do charge for models here, while MakerWorld doesn't have that function yet, but they give you credits. I'll explain that shortly. So with the premium Creality Cloud, you basically get to do multiple model slicing. You can print remote. Actually, you can print remotely with free now as well. That's new. You get a lot of enhancements. You get the biggest thing I can say is you get discounts on purchasing models, because a lot of people charge for models on Crealitycloud. But my favorite part is this: you can get materials just using Kuva coin simply, while MakerWorld, I don't think you can purchase filament yet. Let me see what they have here. Yeah, it's just these kits. And yeah, you get 99% off the kits. You still have to pay for that and shipping. It's not completely free. So over here, I'll show you what I've done. So I've exchanged some products for ABS and more filament. I will go through that in a second here. So if I go to redeem, here's all the different stuff you can redeem, from coupons to filaments. In MakerWorld, once again, it's just limited to their kits and a gift card. The gift card is probably the best bang for your buck, but getting the 504 points is extremely difficult. While with Creality, you can probably get your 5,000 points within a month. So here is just an example of some of the stuff I recently purchased. So this was PLA Plus, this was Hyper PLA, this was regular PLA, this was a check-in token, and this was ABS. And they will be arriving at my house probably in the next 2 weeks. But the other thing that's really neat about this is your ability to get Kuva coins. So if you just view contents, they'll give you 4. If you view model collection, they'll give you 10. First time redeeming items, they'll give you 20 coins. Every time you check in. So it's really easy to stack up the coins and get them. So as you can see, over time, I've got about 25,000 coins. I've spent about 24,000. And then in the mission center right here. So I also did a video on my phone of me redeeming and all that. I'm going to also attach this to this video. But here's more ways you can redeem, or sorry, earn points that you can redeem later on. When you sell your models, you can also get something called, I can't remember if they're called Kuva coins or what they were called, but basically they let you, you have the ability to turn this money into cash. So I've sold some models, as you can see. So this is $7, $7, $7, $7, $7, $10, $1, $1. And then I've converted them into PayPal. So this was $14, this was $21, this was $10. So it's pretty neat. And it's just a way to earn money. And here's how you cash out. It's all done through PayPal. With Maker World, I don't think they have a way to cash out with money yet, and the points are extremely difficult to earn. They take quite a bit of time. But if you're aiming for the cheap stuff, you can probably do it maybe in 2 weeks, 3 weeks times. Especially this boat, you can probably do it in one shot by rating a profile and completing some personal stuff. So overall, I think Creality has the better reward system. They've also been doing it much longer than Bamboo. You can also become a design partner, which will unlock a ton of possibilities. So if you're a designer, you definitely want to check out that program with Creality. Now, enough of the Kuva coins. I'll do more in-depth videos on those down the road. For now, let's do a comparison of the search function. So let me go back to here. We're going to type in K1 Max for both, because I do have a K1 Max coming in. And let's see what that looks like. So both of them return results almost instantly. Scrolling through Maker World first. See if I can find anything specific. Let's check out this top spool holder. See if I can find something similar here. There you go. There's the exact same one. So it looks like whoever uploaded this to Maker World, to Crealitycloud is charging 20 Kuva coins, while the one on Maker World is doing it for free. This one, now because Crealitycloud is still new, not a lot of people have started using the adding your print settings function and all that. So once I have my K1 Max, I will start personally uploading settings to all the different models for you. So keep an eye out on that. While here on the Maker World, they already have the ability to download them as STLs or whatever. So technically you can do this and then load it in your Creality slicer. They give you the print settings here. So very, very similar. I'm more excited about the Crealitycloud because Creality's Kuva coin system. Now, I will be doing an unboxing on the K1 Max, configuration, setup, slicer videos, and then how to integrate Crealitycloud into that. So keep an eye out for that. So for now, that's it for this brief little quick video of a very, very high level of Crealitycloud. So make sure you keep an eye out on the new Crealitycloud and Creality K1 Max series coming out very, very, very soon, probably by the end of August 2024. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And please make sure to subscribe and check out my Patreon. That's it for now. MikeBot out.
Thank you for watching MikeBot 3D Tech Studio.